Ronaldo began his senior career with Sporting CP before signing with Manchester United in 2003, winning the FA Cup in his first season. He would also go on to win 3 consecutive Premier League titles, the Champions League and the FIFA Club World. After attracting interest from major clubs, including Arsenal, Manchester United's Alex Ferguson signed Ronaldo for $12 million on 12 August 2003, an England record for a teenager. He scored his first United goal in November 2003 and won the FA Cup in his first season. Winning the FA Cup in his first season, he would also go on to win 3 consecutive Premier League titles, the Champions League. At age 23, he won his first Ballon d'Or. Ronaldo in Euro 2024. Cristiano Ronaldo had a strong showing in Euro 2024, which is currently ongoing. Here's a quick rundown of his achievements. Record breaker. He became the first player ever to participate in 6 European Championship tournaments. This is a testament to his longevity and continued presence on the international stage. Leader on the pitch. Though he didn't score himself, Ronaldo's leadership and experience were crucial in Portugal's come-from-behind victory against Czech Republic in their opening match. Teammate supporter, he was also seen celebrating enthusiastically for youngster Francisco Conceição, who scored the winning goal in the 92nd minute. Overall, Ronaldo's Euro 2024 campaign has been positive so far. While he might not be at the peak of his physical prowess anymore, his experience and leadership continue to be valuable assets for Portugal. Portugal coach Roberto Martinez has said Cristiano Ronaldo is fit enough to repeatedly play full 90-minute matches at Euro 2024, praising his experience and athleticism. Ronaldo, 39, played the entire match in Tuesday's 2-1 win over Czechia in their Euro 2024 opener, but did not score. Let's see what the rest of the tournament holds for him. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel Wonders of Life. Or, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos.